This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. Signature 2 model. Open floor plan with 2 stories. Dining room, open kitchen fit for a home chef. Featuring high-quality cabinetry, pantry, quartz counters, and stainless steel appliances. Large primary suite with walk-in closet. Primary bath has a large, tiled shower and quartz vanity top. Spacious laundry room, ceiling fans in primary and family room. Laminate floors throughout the first floor and carpet throughout the second floor. Award-winning builder with over 30 years of experience in the home building business. All houses built by this builder come with home warranty. Large house, almost 2,300 square feet. Near malls, interstate, downtown Norfolk, you name it. Ask your agent about closing assistance. Pictures are of similar homes. Not all features are standard. For more information, review the details below.